The internet consumes an unimaginable amount of power. Every click, every stream, and every line of code you deploy, actually, it has a carbon cost. And the cloud is not some ethereal place. It's made of massive energy hungry data centers. And the question is not whether you will use the cloud or not, but whose cloud you will use. That is the question. And what that choice does to our planet, that is the question you have to think. Hi, I'm Amit Ghosh and welcome to CloudGeniusHub. I'm your cloud career architect, and today we are not talking about speed or cost. We are talking about the environmental impact of Google Cloud. In the telecloudify model, a true architect doesn't just build, they build responsibly. Let's see why GCP is the leader in sustainable computing. The virtual world, which includes Google Cloud's network, is built on physical infrastructure, and all those racks of humming servers use huge amounts of energy. And together, all existing data centers use roughly 2% of the world's electricity. So Google works to make data centers run as efficiently as possible, but it only consumes 2% electricity of the world. Just like our customers, Google is trying to do the right things for our planet. We understand that Google Cloud customers have environmental goal as well, and running their workloads in Google Cloud can be a part of meeting them, right? Therefore, it's important to know that Google's data centers were the first to achieve ISO 14001 certification, which is a standard that maps out a framework for improving resource efficiency and reducing waste. Now we will discuss about the baseline. While other clouds are just starting to make promises, Google has a 15-year head start because Google already started 15 years ago. So listen to this fact minutely. Google has been carbon neutral for its entire operations, not only data centers, its entire operations since 2007. And since 2017, they have matched 100% of the electricity used by their global operations with renewable energy. That is 2017. They have matched 100% of the electricity they used are renewable energy. This means when you spin up a VM on GCP, the net operational carbon cost, carbon emissions associated with your energy is actually zero. A big zero emission, zero carbon CO2 emission. This is the picture of Google's data center in Hamina, Finland, and this facility is one of the most advanced and efficient data centers in the Google fleet. And its cooling system, there is a cooling system inside that, which uses seawater from the Bay of Finland. This is the Bay of Finland, and it uses the seawater to cool their system, right? And which reduces energy use, and this is the first of its kind anywhere in the world. But matching energy annually is not enough. The sun doesn't shine at night, right? And the wind doesn't always blow. Here is Google's moonshot, and it's wild. Their goal is to run on carbon-free energy 24/7 everywhere by 2030. This means every hour of every day in every region, your application will be powered by clean energy. No other major cloud provider has a goal this ambitious. It requires rewiring how energy grid works globally. Now, what's your power? So what does this means for you? It means you can build green applications, right? Green applications, which has zero CO2. Google gives you the power to see it with the built-in carbon footprint tool. You can measure, you can track, and also report the gross carbon emissions associated with your Google Cloud usage. Now imagine going into an interview and saying, I not only architected a scalable solution, but also I optimized it to reduce our company's carbon footprint by 20%. So that is the mark of a future leader, right? So building on a cleanest cloud is a superpower, but a clean cloud means nothing if it is not a safe cloud. In the next video, we are cracking open the vault. We are talking about Google Cloud security. How does Google protect your data? And with the same infrastructure that protects Gmail and Google search, right? You cannot miss this one. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon and join the mission driven community Cloud Genius Hub. Let's build a better, cleaner future together. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.